When it comes to improving the comfort, security, and energy efficiency of your Mandeville home, upgrading to energy-efficient doors is one of the most impactful changes you can make. Whether you're replacing an old entry door, patio doors, or interior doors, choosing energy-efficient options can provide long-term benefits, not only by improving the look of your home but also by reducing energy costs, enhancing security, and contributing to a more sustainable lifestyle. In this article, we'll explore the numerous advantages of upgrading to energy-efficient doors in Mandeville and why they are a smart investment for homeowners looking to enhance their homes in both the short and long term. Reduced energy bills. One of the primary reasons homeowners upgrade to energy-efficient doors is the potential for lower energy bills. Entry doors and patio doors of your home are key areas where energy can escape, leading to drafts and unwanted heat loss during colder months and heat gain in the summer. This puts additional stress on your heating and cooling systems, increasing your monthly utility bills. Insulation. Energy-efficient doors are designed with advanced insulation to prevent air from entering or escaping. Whether your home is using fiberglass, steel, or composite doors, these materials help regulate the temperature inside, preventing the need for constant heating or cooling. This helps keep your HVAC system from working overtime and saves money on your utility bills. Weather stripping and seals. Modern energy-efficient doors come with enhanced weather stripping and seals around the edges. These features help close gaps, preventing drafts and air leaks that can lead to energy loss. Well-sealed doors can make a significant difference in the energy efficiency of your home, providing a comfortable living environment throughout the year. Improved comfort. Upgrading to energy-efficient doors in Mandeville can drastically improve the comfort of your home. Inefficient doors can allow outside air to enter, making it difficult to maintain a stable and comfortable indoor temperature. By replacing these with doors that are designed to block drafts and regulate temperature, your home will feel more comfortable in all seasons. Consistent indoor temperature. An energy-efficient door helps maintain a steady indoor temperature by preventing heat from escaping during winter and blocking the sun's heat during the summer. This creates a more consistent and comfortable living environment without relying heavily on your HVAC system. Noise reduction. Energy-efficient doors, especially those with insulated cores or soundproofing features, help reduce the transfer of outdoor noise. If you live near a busy street or a noisy neighborhood, upgrading to energy-efficient doors can help create a quieter and more peaceful indoor space. Enhanced security. Another compelling reason to upgrade to energy-efficient doors is the added security they provide. Older doors, especially those made of thin materials, can be vulnerable to break-ins or weather damage. Energy-efficient doors are not only built to be highly durable but also feature modern security enhancements. Stronger materials. Many energy-efficient doors are made from reinforced materials like steel or fiberglass, offering greater resistance to forced entry. These materials are much more secure than traditional wooden doors and provide better protection for your home. Advanced locking mechanisms. Energy-efficient doors often come with advanced locking systems that provide extra security. Many models feature multi-point locking systems, which lock the door at multiple points along the frame, making it much harder for intruders to break in. Impact-resistant glass. If your door includes glass panels, consider selecting impact-resistant glass options. These are designed to withstand break-ins, extreme weather, and accidental damage, adding an extra layer of protection for your family and belongings. Boosted curb appeal. In addition to providing practical benefits, upgrading to energy-efficient doors can enhance your home's curb appeal. Doors play a significant role in the overall look of your home, and upgrading to a modern, stylish, energy-efficient door can instantly improve its appearance. Variety of styles. Energy-efficient doors come in a wide range of styles, including traditional wooden doors, modern fiberglass doors, and sleek steel doors. This variety allows homeowners to select a door that fits their home's unique architecture and design preferences. Whether you're looking for something classic, contemporary, or custom design, there's an energy-efficient door that will complement your home's exterior. Increased property value. Installing a high-quality, energy-efficient door can also increase the value of your home. Potential buyers are often attracted to homes with updated, energy-efficient features, and an upgraded door is a key selling point. This investment can yield a significant return if you plan to sell your home in the future. Environmental benefit. By upgrading to energy-efficient doors, you're not only benefiting your home but also contributing to a more sustainable future. Inefficient doors can increase energy consumption, which places additional strain on natural resources and leads to higher carbon emissions. By reducing the amount of energy needed to heat and cool your home, energy-efficient doors help lower your environmental footprint. Reduced carbon emissions. By conserving energy and reducing your reliance on heating and cooling systems, energy-efficient doors help decrease your home's overall carbon emissions. This makes your home more eco-friendly and contributes to the fight against climate change. Sustainable materials. Many energy-efficient doors are made from recyclable materials like fiberglass and steel. Opting for doors made from sustainable resources ensures that your home upgrade is both environmentally friendly and built to last. Cost-effective investment. While the initial cost of upgrading to energy-efficient doors can be higher than standard doors, the long-term savings on energy bills and the increased value of your home make it a smart investment. Additionally, many homeowners may be eligible for rebates or incentives through local energy programs that can help offset the initial cost of the upgrade. Conclusion. Upgrading to energy-efficient doors in Mandeville is an excellent way to improve the comfort, security, and aesthetic appeal of your home while also reducing energy costs and benefiting the environment. Whether you're replacing an old entry door or updating your patio doors, investing in energy-efficient options will pay off in both immediate and long-term benefits. From lower utility bills to increased curb appeal and enhanced security, energy-efficient doors offer a wide range of advantages for homeowners who want to improve their living space.